Rectification of errors. What is an error? An error is an unintentional mistake, something that an accountant makes while recording the transactions. There is no shame in it as we are all human and a human can make mistakes unintentionally. But the important thing is that these errors should be corrected or rectified when discovered. Let me clear something that is commonly mistaken by students. There is a difference between an error and a fraud. The error is something that has been recorded wrongly by mistake. And if something that is wrongly recorded by intentionally is a fraud. Let's take an example. Say you run a spa and you offer a number of services like massage, facial treatments, steam bath, beauty care services, etc. There are a number of customers that visit your spa and receive services throughout the month. Let's say Mr. John, a regular customer of your spa and requested a foot massage that cost $20. The correct entry to record this should have been debit cash $20 and credit revenue $20. But your accountant charged his card erroneously with $200 and passed this entry. Debit cash $200 credit revenue $200. Later that month, Mr. John came to your spa and asked about that, why his card was overcharged. So your accountant noticed that there was an error and he recorded the transaction with $200 instead of $20. So to correct this error, this entry must be passed with the difference of this error amount, that is $180. This entry will be debit revenue $180 and credit cash $180. So the result will be automatically corrected as cash was debited with $200 but credited with $180, making a net debit cash $20. And similarly, revenue was credited with $200 less $180, debited net credit revenue $20. So the correct entry will be debit cash $20 and credit revenue $20. Let's take another example of an error. The rent of this spa, $4,500, was paid in cash, but our accountant wrongly debited the amount to Mr. Smith's personal account, who is the landlord of the building. So the first part of the information stating the rent of $4,500 was paid in cash is sufficient to tell the accountant to record the transaction correctly as debit rent expense $4,500, credit cash $4,500. So, what did the accountant do erroneously is, he debited Mr. Smith's personal account instead of rent expense account with $4,500. And credited cash with $4,500. So to rectify this, we have to pass the following entry. Debit rent expense with $4,500 and credit Mr. Smith's personal account with $4,500. So these are the two basic types of error and their rectification. We shall learn more types of errors in next lecture.